Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality Web 2.0 submission backlink. So the website name is bravenet.com. So this is a website URL and this is the website dashboard, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. And for this website we can do some research. So according to HRF the domain rating is 87, and according to Moj the domain authority is 75 and the spam score is only 1%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having a 321.3k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from UK, USA, Australia, India, Pakistan and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this website for the Web 2.0 submission. Okay, so the first thing we can click on the account, click on the register button, and there you can add your all details. There you can add your email address. Then you guys will choose your username, and after that you can choose your password. Let me add there brand name, and after that you can click on the create account button. So our account is successfully created. So after that this site will send you the verification email. So you guys will check your Gmail box and you can verify your account. So we received, you can click on the validate your account, and after that you can acknowledge, verify the captcha, and you can click on the continue button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So our account is successfully created. So after that you can click on the first box. So create a website or blog with our easy site builder. So you can click on the first option, green one, and after that you can click on the get started. You can choose any template. So let me select a first one, use this template, and you can check only first box. If you can check second box, so they will gonna to ask you for the paid, a domain and the custom domain. Okay, so you can check first box only, and after that there you can add your username. So our username is Jobma. You can click on the create site button. Jobma is already exists, so Jobma interview. Okay, so our Web 2.0 dashboard is ready. So first thing we can upload our logo, company logo. So simply you can click on the logo button. There is image, and you can click on the change image. From there you can upload image. You can click on the drop file to upload. You can click on your logo and you can upload your logo. You can click on the insert image button. So you can see our logo is successfully added, and if we wanting, so you can customize your logo size according to your requirement. And there is a company heading option, so we can add our heading. So about Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform, and let me add a short description. Let me choose from the website, higher, better and the faster with AI. Let me you can click on this, and let me upload some images there. upload emails, click on the new upload. Okay, so where is my image? Yeah. Then you can click on the use selected file. Insert image. So we have customized our first section, and accordingly you guys can optimize your all the details. So like there is a multiple services option to you can list your all services and many things. So suppose that if I wanting to add my this, so Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform, streamline hiring globally, and this is the content. Let me use this. So you can see I have added AI powered virtual interviewing platform. So if you're wanting to insert your website URL in your targeted keyword, so first you can select your keyword, and there is a link button. So you can click on this, and you guys will insert your website URL. So there is you can select the second option, an external link. There you can put it your link. Then you can click on the open in next tab, click on the insert link button. So your link is successfully inserted, and if you're wanting to make it bold, so you can. So this section we have updated. Now the time is to we can update our services. So there is a lot of services listed. So what we can do, let me select and upload Jobma virtual interviewing platform. From there, uh, how I can change image, upload new image. So let me upload the new emails, and so accordingly you guys will update your service section, whatever you guys are having services. So you can customize this template, and there is also the another option to you can update your company contact information, the company address, and there is a option to you can update your logo. And these are the images we have already updated. Click on the insert image button. So we have added our logo in the footer section. There is a company address option to we can add our company address. Menton का United States. And this is your company contact details, so where you guys will update your company contact details. So we are not using any kind of fax option, so let me remove this. And there is sales, so let me add our sales email. And then once you guys will complete your all the things, so there is option to you guys will update your site website title. So my website title is this: Jobma AI powered virtual interviewing platform, and this is the time zone, and the SSL default page is home page. If you're wanting to update, upload, save changes before, okay, click on the save changes, and after that you guys are able to make changes. And if you're wanting to insert, sorry, site settings, five icon, if you're wanting to upload five icon, so you can. And there is a heading tag option if you're wanting to insert any tags in the head section, so you can. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So for your web 2.0 landing page URL, live landing page URL, I can show you. So you can click on the next tab, you can open in the incognito, and if you can click on the home button, you will see this is your home page landing page URL. And if I can click on this link, this should be going to open in next tab, and this will take 10 seconds to open your final website. So you can see our website is opened. So this is a process for the web 2.0 on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details for the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.